What's up, it's a Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the batteries on your Eufy lock. So I went ahead and took this lock apart. That way I could move it a little bit easier and show you guys how to change the batteries. So if it is attached to the door, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go ahead and push up like this. Oh, there you go. You'll see you just go ahead and push up like that, and that'll actually go ahead and remove the back plate off of here. And then from here, it's as easy as just changing out the batteries. Nothing crazy there. They use double A's, so pretty simple. What I've seen is typically about once a year, you're gonna wanna change these. If it's like a high activity or a rental or a vacation rental, it may be closer to that 8 months. But you would go ahead and remove those. And then with the pack right here, go ahead and just slide that back on, and it'll click in, and there you go. So that's how you go ahead and change the batteries on the Eufy Smart Lock. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll go ahead and add my Eufy playlist on here as well. That way, if you guys need to see other videos like factory resetting or adding codes, I have those all on there. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.